It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent. It is the one that is most adaptable to change. Welcome and thanks for joining the evolution. My name is Federico Bullo and I'm very proud to present you today the evolution of our G-Series wheel loaders. It's our first digital launch in Europe, and in the next 30 minutes we will show you all the new features and improvements of our fantastic G-Series range. Novelties that represent an important evolution of this product line, and that respond on one side to the constant and impressive technical and digital evolution, which by the way is not impacting only our business, and on the other hand to the needs of our customers. Because you have seen it on the opening video, we deliver, but first of all we listen. We always and greatly value your opinions. We want to tease your curiosity and answer to your questions. This is why we have also created a WhatsApp number that we can use throughout the meeting to interact together. We hope that this will somehow bridge the physical gap and make this event entertaining and practical for you. I would like to immediately test the potential of this tool. Please send us a message and write the name of your country from which you are connected. So Sweden, Italy, France, UK. We will see the results in a little while. In the meantime, allow me to spend a few words about our brand. Case is a part of the CNH Industrial Group, a global leader in the capital goods sector. CNH Industrial has a uniquely diversified brand portfolio, a global presence through its manufacturing, R&D and dealer networks. Commitment to always research and innovate at the highest level, and the expertise of more than 63,000 employees in the world. Case Construction Equipment makes no exception within the group. Founded in America in 1842, we are a truly global brand, designing, manufacturing and operating in all corners of the globe. North and Latin America, Europe, India, Asia, everywhere. Next year we will celebrate 180 years of history. This is a very long tradition. Just to give you an example, the telephone was first patented in 1876, 34 years after our foundation. And we are 45 years older than the Tour Eiffel. And it is not just a matter of age, it's a matter of heritage, which means passing historical values from one generation to the other. It is a matter of DNA. And our history and DNA speak of quality culture, practical innovation, intuitive experience, and customer centricity. Our founder, Jerome Increase Case, launched the Case business back in 1842, and by early 1900s, Case was established as a leading manufacturer of construction equipment. Fast forward to 1958, and the first Case wheel loader was unveiled. And today we celebrate nearly 65 years of wheel loader innovation in our very latest model, the G-Series Evolution. Jerome Case believed in doing what's right and going the extra mile for the customer. This belief remains just as true today, providing straightforward solutions to solve our customer real-world challenges. You said it, we did it. It's the motto we choose for this launch. But we could easily say that it's the motto that moved from the beginning of our founder, Jerome Case, and moved all of us ever since. And not only, our wheel loaders feature also the best design. In 2017 and 2019 we were awarded with the Good Design Award, the oldest and the most prestigious prize for innovative design. Okay, we talked a little bit about us, but what about you? Let's see if we are able to see the results of the poll. Let me take a look. Yes, I can already see the map and Europe is entirely warming up. The darker the shade of orange of a country, the more viewers are connected from that country. Let me check again. Wow, we are so many, from Sweden to Greece, from Portugal to Poland. Thank you again for joining us, for your interest and curiosity. Thank you for being part of this evolution. Please feel free to use this number to write questions you may have or things you would like to learn more about. We will try to reply to as many as we can via our social channels, so please include your name and country so that we will be able to reply to you in an even more direct way. Okay, so evolution, quality, innovation, design. There is perhaps a place where all these attributes find a synthesis, and that is a plant. Plants are where our machines are produced and where the highest possible standards are applied. As a truly global player, we produce our wheel loaders in 3 plants to be shipped around the globe, and one is in Fargo, US, one in Belo Horizonte, Brazil, and one in Lecce, Italy, to serve the customers' needs all over the world. Of course, we are still not able to travel, but we would like to invite you to a virtual tour of our Lecce plant, hoping that soon again we will be able to welcome you there in person. Let's take a look.
The Lecce plant currently employs about 520 people. In this plant, we produce 5 main products: the wheel loader, the line where we are now, the compact wheel loader, the grader, the tractor backhoe loader, and the telehandler. We should produce 5,300 machines in 2021, a record capacity for the Lecce factory. Quality controls are performed throughout the production process to ensure the final product conforms to all the performance, reliability, and aesthetic quality criteria. This starts from the moment the materials are delivered and involves specific checks that vary in frequency and parameters depending on the component received. The first stage of the production process involves cutting the sheet metal, followed by welding and mechanical processes. Every day, a number of manufactured components are selected for non-destructive testing, using penetrating liquids to ensure weld seams meet the correct levels of conformity. Other checks include 3-dimensional measurements to check components comply and conform with all the dimensions and tolerances detailed in the technical drawings. The second stage of the production process is painting. This involves a number of stages carried out at automated stations, including sandblasting of the mainframes and various painting phases. In the assembly area, the many tasks performed by the line operators is key to ensuring high-quality machines. As such, a series of poker yoke error-proofing devices are placed along the assembly line. These devices help reduce human error to 0 and prevent release at subsequent stages. Critical or safety locks are guaranteed by electronic screwdrivers, which certifies and records the last applied torque level. At the end of the assembly line, a quality gate performs a number of predetermined checks on all outgoing machines. All machines are then subjected to a functional test to check and certify all functions work correctly. The machine performs to specification and to ensure that there are no hydraulic leaks. After the functional test, a final inspection is carried out to check the entire production process has been carried out properly, to ensure the machine is set up correctly, and to check the finish of the finished machine.
Great, thank you Massimo and Giuseppe for welcoming us to the Lecce plant. What you have seen is the result of significant and continuous investments in order to guarantee the highest levels of quality and shorter lead times. In all our plants, we apply the world-class manufacturing. WCM is one of the global manufacturing industry's highest standards for the integrated management of manufacturing plants and processes. It is based on continuous improvement with the objective of reducing down to zero injuries, defects, breakdowns, and waste. It is of vital importance in terms of business strategy and company results. And the same for our wheel loaders, of course. And who is more prepared than our product expert Egidio to show you everything about these machines? Egidio, the floor is all yours.
Thank you, Federico. Good morning and welcome also from my side. We have seen where our machines are built and shipped from. Now it is time to introduce you to the G-Series evolution. You said it, we did it. Everyone at Case put the customer at the center. We listen to what the customer says and act accordingly. And what do you expect from a wheel loader? 3 simple but crucial things: more productivity, more reliability, more profitability. Since their launch in 2017, Case G-Series wheel loaders have been highly appreciated for their excellent performance in terms of productivity, comfort, fuel consumption, and low operating cost. But it is in the Case DNA to always seek for more. So, how can we boost productivity? It's not just a matter of how much material the machine can handle in 1 hour. Productivity can also be improved by providing the operator with maximum comfort, maximum ease of use, and maximum ability to fully control all machine functions. What could we add more? First of all, a new touchscreen digital display. More intuitive, very responsive, like your smartphone or your car infotainment system. This new touchscreen also includes new features, allowing the operator to fully control the machine and configuring it according to their own driving style. For instance, new electro-hydraulic control setting. You can now set the response sensitivity of the loader control, choosing between 3 different settings: smooth, moderate, and aggressive. This will allow operator to find the perfect feeling with the machine just by grabbing the joystick and making the most of their work shift. We also present the new parallel lift. With this function, it will be like having 2 machines in one. With the new G-Series, all you need to do is press a button on your keypad. An Z-bar on XR linkage will behave like an XT1. A magical software controls the angle compensation during lifting operation. Super easy and super effective. We also designed a new armrest with 3 configurable buttons. With them, you can easily recall the menu most frequently used pages, without having to look for them or having to take your hand off the joystick. Very intuitive and very fast. But there is also something else that helps to improve productivity. Because choosing the right machine is one thing, having the right service solutions is another. This is why I'm pleased to call Antonio on the stage to hear more about them.
Thank you, Egidio. In order to boost your productivity and improve the machine's uptime, we have developed case service solutions, a new range of services that will support your experience with case equipment. Starting from SiteConnect, a suite of connected services built with the customer uptime in mind. SiteConnect is enabled by telematics. The SiteConnect module installed on the machines collects and streams the data via a cloud back to the uptime center. There, experts on product and data analysis work to create algorithms and look for emerging patterns. The aim is to detect a potential problem before it occurs. And when a potential problem is detected on a machine, your case dealer receives an alert, along with a specific set of recommendations and actions to be taken. The proactive support of the case network will then address quickly and more efficiently every potential issue by promptly reaching the job site with the right diagnostics information, tools and parts to quickly repair the machine. And that's not all. The SiteConnect module allows to establish a two-way communication between your machine and your case dealer. They can run remote diagnostic and analyze the machine's data before traveling to the unit. In addition, it will also be able to remotely install or update operating software. So, to make a long story short, proactive analysis of potential failures, reduce time to fix issues, increase uptime, in 2 words, more productivity. And there is also another very important word, standard. Telematics and SiteConnect come as standard in the G-Series evolution.
Thank you, Antonio. Let's move on. You said more reliability, and here is our answer. Our best-in-class components, such as the heavy-duty axle and the most efficient cooling system in the marketplace with its unique cube design, we're already granting great reliability to our product. But this is what we already have. Where is the more? Well, I'm pleased to introduce a new useful option, the tire pressure monitoring system. This enhances the overall machine reliability by optimizing tire pressure and thus reducing wear and extending their life cycle. Tires on a wheel loader are crucial to get the best performance, and now it's possible to check the pressure directly from the display. And this is not all. Another significant contribution to boost machine reliability comes from the state-of-the-art service offered by Case. Correct, Antonio?
Yes, Egidio. A well-serviced equipment is more reliable and more efficient. It improves your peace of mind and lets you focus on your business. You can always rely on the maintenance contracts offer of our Case dealer network. And there is more. We are introducing Case Care in some European markets. It is a planned maintenance program with genuine parts and lubricants and all the expertise of our Case dealer network. We also offer Case fluid analysis to prevent major failures, maximize your asset reliability and extend the machine's lifetime. And not only your machine will be ready to perform every day, but also the resale value of a constantly monitored machine is higher.
Thank you, Antonio, very well. And now, let me say, a more productive and more reliable machine is already a profitable machine, don't you think? The concept is simple. Ease of use and operator comfort mean more productivity and more revenue. More reliability means less cost of repair and more uptime. So, this is all, right? No, not for Case. What about being able to see the numbers of your daily production in real time? Now, the new G-Series Evolution offers a new integrated payload scale, a powerful tool based on exclusive case design, with premium accuracy accessible from the new touchscreen monitor. With the new integrated payload scale, of course, you can read and log every single bucket load. You can also manage every job in the best way, by identifying it with a complete set of data, the so-called job ticket, such as customer name, your company name and address, the truck ID, the truck target load, and all the other essential data to provide full information for every ticket you will close during the day. Once you have set the truck target load, the system can show if the last bucket is exceeding the target load, and in this case, the tip-off mode can be activated, helping the operator to partially release the material in the bucket until the target load is achieved. Goodbye to long loading operation and waiting truck time. And not only, we now offer the possibility of transferring the payload data directly to your administration desk in real time, thanks to the new feature offered by the SiteWatch portal.
Yes, Egidio. Thanks to our fleet management solution, SiteWatch, you will have real-time payload reports. When the operator closes a load cycle using the integrated payload function on the touchscreen display, the ticket details are immediately stored on SiteWatch, ready to be downloaded as a report and exported whenever needed. Case SiteWatch will help you in your daily work in many other ways. For example, it allows to geolocate the machine, or you can secure your fleet by setting up a geofence to be alerted in case of unauthorized use. It also generates a set of reports easily accessible through the portal and provides you with information such as fuel consumption, utilization, machine hours, idle time. Very useful for productivity and profitability purposes. It even sends you alerts when the machine is due for servicing or is showing fault codes. Very useful, and again, standard with your G-Series Evolution wheel loader.
Amazing. Thank you, Antonio. Well, there is more. Can we expect even more profitability from our equipment? Yes, of course. Another source of profitability offered by the new G-Series Evolution wheel loaders are the significant saving on the total maintenance cost, achieved by extending the service interval from the current 500 hours to 1000 hours and multiples thereof. If we compare it with the current model, total maintenance cost will be reduced by up to 20%. 20% is a huge number. But can you measure it? Let's play a little game with our WhatsApp number. Let's take a mid-size wheel loader like our A21G and plan a maintenance on 10,000 hours of machine life cycle. How much money can we save? I give you three options. A, 5,000 euros. B, 6,500 euros. And C, 9,000 euros. Please answer by writing A, B or C to our WhatsApp number. We will see the result a little later. In the meantime, let's talk about Case Protect. Antonio, what's Case Protect?
The value of a service contract also rests on the relationship with the dealer. With their expertise, dealer can help you to better understand how to maintain at its best your equipment and secure your investment. That's why we developed Case Protect warranty extensions with different coverage options to match your actual needs. And you can bundle it with a full case service solutions offer for your total peace of mind.
Thank you, Antonio. So, briefly recap. You said more productivity, and we did it by offering a better operator experience and more comfort. More productivity comes also with SiteConnect, a suite of services providing more uptime for your equipment. You said more reliability, and we did it by assembling best-in-class components, by introducing the new tire pressure monitoring system, and by offering our maintenance program solution with case care and fluid analysis. You said more profitability, and we did it by introducing the new integrated payload scale, extended service interval, and offering Case Protect, the extended warranty program to be bundled with the different case service solutions. Talking about extended service interval, do you want to see the result of the poll? Let's have a look. Majority of you answered B, 6,500 euros. Well, certainly a considerable amount of money, but with our G-Series Evolution, savings can even reach 9,000 euros. It means reducing your maintenance cost and thus your total cost of ownership by almost €1 per hour.
That's amazing, Egidio, and that's what we like. I hope you enjoyed this short overview of the many new features and services of the G-Series Evolution. We encourage you to book a demo and try the machine firsthand as soon as the situation allows for it. A warm thank you to all of you, and we hope to meet you soon. Stay connected with us through our website and social media channels, or contact your nearest case dealer. You said it, we did it. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you, Egidio and Antonio. Our European premiere of the G-Series Evolution is coming to an end. We began with some history about our brand, and we ended with all the latest innovation on our product and service offer. Since our foundation, customers, you, remain at the heart of everything we do. You said it, we did it. It means that we greatly value your feedbacks as they make a difference in the way we design and develop our machines and solutions. Today we have shown you many novelties, and there are still many challenges in front of us. Because we never stop, quality, culture, practical innovation, and delivering intuitive experience are part of our DNA and will always be our key attributes in our commitment to always move forward. We really hope that you enjoyed this event, and we look forward to seeing you on board on our machines to drive the evolution. Thank you, and see you very soon.